They exploded in front of everyone because of their envy for you. This person couldn't contain it. It had to come out. And this person tried to repress how they actually felt for you. You see, this thing was building up over a long time ago. So what may have happened wasn't just out of the blue. You know, it was pent up envy, jealousy, and anger. And they acted in the most erratic, shocking way. And now they're embarrassed, they're humiliated, embarrassed that they actually exposed themselves. How they reacted made people feel like, are they okay? And they have highlighted that they are unstable. And their unstability spilled over onto you. They hate their life. Their life is scattered. And they envy the fact that you seem in control. You hold a certain power. You are articulate. You have an ear of authority. People respect you. And they feel small in comparison to you. And when they reacted in front of people, it shocked others. Maybe they wanted to humiliate you, but what actually happened is, on a mental level, people ended their connections with them. People are on your side. People are now being boundaried with this individual, thinking if they can do that to you, well, you did not deserve it, what will they do to me? This person highlighted the fact that they're jealous of you, as well as all is not well on an emotional level, on a mental level. And so they thought they can take it out on you. They feel like you have a certain peace that they cannot retain. And you do. And it's not to say that you do not get upset. You do not have your trials and tribulations, but you choose to work through your issues. And that's why I always say one needs to do the healing work. If you know that you're not feeling your best, speak to someone, journal, spend time alone, go for a walk, listen to music, rest. But this person didn't want to do that. They wanted to inflict embarrassment and humiliation onto you, because internally they were in chaos and they wanted you to feel the same way. So it was a projection, but you didn't take that on, or spirit is asking you not to take it on. This person's very toxic. They could have addictions. They are obsessed with you as well. And they feel stagnant, stuck and blocked in their life. And they see you free-flowing, open, dreamy, magical, and it upsets them. They get angry. They're thinking, what about me? I've got star appeal. I've got star quality. How come I'm not seen in the same light as you? This person's tried to rival you for your energy. Very jealous that a lot of females, if you are a male listening, find you attractive. Maybe this person's jealous of your looks. They feel like you can get more pull, you can get more women than they do. They have to manufacture a certain image or energy whereby your energy draws others to you naturally. They see the way chicks look at you. They see it. And they're jealous. Jealous of your abundance. This person could be prejudiced too. They could feel very entitled. They may feel like because they come from a certain background, they should have a say and be seen in a certain light. Jealous of your friendships, who you are close to. They feel like the outsider and they feel like you should be the outsider. Okay, so you're getting all the chicks, if you're a guy listening to this. People like you, people respect you. You're seen as different, unique, quirky, and you have a lot of friends. So they are jealous of your popularity. They feel destitute in comparison to you. And they want to hide, or they want you to go away and hide. So they try to scare you away. They want to shine. They don't believe in everyone shining together. They don't want to work together. And for some of you, it could be conflicting energies swirling around in this person's head. Maybe this person's got romantic feelings for you, and the frustration of having these romantic feelings for you has made them wild out, because they may feel like you may not be into them, because this could be a same gender connection too. And the frustration of you not wanting them is making them wild out. But this person cannot undo what they did. People have seen enough. You've seen enough. You may have forgiven them, but a cycle's been closed, man. You may not want to collaborate with this person anymore. With the Three of Pentacles in the reverse, you don't look at them the same. You may be around them physically, but energetically, it's a wrap. Spirit is saying, keep shining. Do not dim your light for anyone.